How to log in into Lowa Bankers Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Lowa Bankers Mortgage login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Lowa Bankers Mortgage Corporation. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website. Now at the top, you will see the option of login. Click on that. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the email or the username. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide the details, click on Secure Login, and with that, you'll be logged into Lowa Bankers Mortgage account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Create an Account and go through the registration process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into Lowa Bankers Mortgage account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.